Not gonna be painting today. It is raining. So, yeah. Just finished sanding the car with a super light grit sandpaper to smooth it all out. And then it started raining. So, might have to figure out somewhere else to paint this car. Yeah, this kind of sucks. So, just a quick little video letting you guys know what's going on. Storming and getting worse, and nowhere to paint the rabbit. That's the downside of not having a garage, I guess. Work with what you got, right? Maybe I'll be able to find someone that has a garage and I can use it. That would be nice. I do have a buddy that has a garage, but it's not his house. It's a rental, and I don't want to cause him to get kicked out. So, yep, just a quick little video. Sorry again, guys. I am severely disappointing a lot of people, I guarantee it. But when it happens, it'll happen and it'll look good. I promise. Yeah. Sorry, guys. You win, Max.